حي على الفلاح.
Imagine holding your entire faith, a sanctuary of heavens and heart, now folded gently into your hands. Begin where light first touches water and wash intention clear. Then stand where earth meets eternity, your posture, a language older than words. Now open the sky folded in ink. Trace words like stars, or hear a voice that quiets storms. Walk where footsteps still glow warm, wisdom's lanterns in the dark. When the world spins you adrift, feel the compass pull inside your chest. Home is the direction your soul knows. The journey, the map, the quiet side toward the divine. Always with you. Available now on App Store and Play Store.